Okay.
Step one of unpacking is there's little plastic clips on each corner. And you just pinch those and they come right out. This pad on the end, you leave that on, don't take that off. Hey, inside, they have a color code.
Oh, good.
There's a little red triangle. There's a red triangle.
Oh, look at that.
Red, red, and then the other ones are yellow. Two screws in each one. I'm starting with putting the top screw in halfway. Okay, you start with just finger tight halfway on the top bolts on the back two legs, which are on the hopper side. You put the second bolt in those and you tighten those. Four casters, two without locks, two with locks. Ones with the locks go in the front. And then also, if you have these in a spot where it's not necessarily level, you can always take one of these and run it down. So
Oh,
it doesn't
yeah.
get rocky on you. So this is the ash container. You have two of your little black feet screws left. And then there's four screws. They're the same ones that go in the feet or the legs. There's a black. Then you have a removable ashtray
Okay.
that hooks in there, and then you have a liner so you don't have to clean that out every time.
Nice.
And it kind of hooks over that rail.
Okay. Look how beautiful.
And then hold your tray for your ash. It catches the ashes as you go. Handles next. There's two little plates that have the screws in it, and then they have some little stainless steel screws for that. And these have a little wedge shape on them, so they only go in one way. These are front handle, and there's some little bezels for the end, and a couple of screws.
There's two aligning pegs on this receiving cup. One goes in the grill lid and the other goes into the handle itself.
firebox and the little thing that goes on top of that. And we come back around from the front side. Goes in like so. There's a huge, and then there's a hole towards the back, and that's where your igniter comes in. And that's the cover. And then there's a little cover here in the back. That's where you need your Phillips head screwdriver. Because you have to install the igniter. There's a connector that you pull apart. Pulls out the assembly that holds the igniter. Which just pushes in there. Causes it to catch fire. Now we have our little chute that the pellets, after they come out of the auger, this directs them down into the firebox. So it goes on like that. Here's part H. And that just sits in there. That keeps makes the fire indirect.
Okay. One in the middle. And then the plugs, the power cord plugs in underneath. Together.
And that's all there is to it. Put it together.